Hello everyone, it's Joy and welcome back to CUMIC Weekly, where we bring you the latest Chinese steel prices and market trends every single week. If you're new here, simply hit the subscribe and like buttons right here. Don't miss out on any future updates. This week, the Chinese steel market showed fluctuations with a slightly stronger performance. So what's driving this movement? Let's break it down. For starters, the impact of the Chinese New Year festival is finally fading as more and more factories and construction sites resume operations. Steel demand is picking up faster. This has led to a notable increase in market activity, with more transactions happening across the globe. In fact, data shows that warehouse outflows of rebar and hot-rolled coil have improved significantly, both compared to last year and last week. But that's not the only factor at play. The Chinese government Two Sessions meeting, one of the most important political and economic events of the year, are just around the corner in early March. And with that, market confidence is on the rise, as traders and investors expect supportive policies that could further boost demand. So in a way, we are seeing a mix of both actual demand recovery and optimistic sentiment, keeping steel prices relatively strong. Next, let's examine the supply and demand side. This week, China's apparent demand went up by more than 1.3 million tons. At the same time, total inventory rose by 400,000 tons, and production went up as well. While steel production saw a clear increase, downstream operations recovery also drove a strong rebound in demand, leading to a much slower inventory build-up compared to last week. From these numbers, we are also seeing both supply and demand growing, which suggests that market activities are gradually improving. So what's next for the market? In the short term, with the government meeting coming up, market sentiment is expected to remain positive. Plus, with demand still on the rise, a sharp drop in steel prices seems unlikely. Instead, we could see prices continue fluctuating with a slight upward trend. Nevertheless, there are a few risks to keep an eye on. Hot-rolled coil inventory is still higher than usual, which means there's a pressure for destocking. Moreover, the degree of demand recovery is still uncertain. It's picking up, but will it last? And finally, if macro policy does not live up to expectations, market confidence could fall dramatically. Well, what's your take on the Chinese steel market? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. Just hit the subscribe and like buttons right here. See you next week. Bye bye!